the breathable hair topper. Now there's a way to make your hair fuller that allows your scalp to breathe and your hair to grow freely. Introducing the MicroStrand technology. Notice how this is very difficult to see. After we put one human hair at a time on this, in a customized way for you, here's one example. Now notice this. Logically, if this was placed on your hair and your hair was combed through it, logically, would your scalp breathe freely? Would your hair be able to grow freely? Of course. Check this out. Notice this, that hair is added directly up front in the top area. And notice how difficult it is to see anything. And notice, her own hair is being used. And notice, it's obvious that her scalp's breathing. So, if you want to make your hair fuller and allow your own scalp to breathe and your existing hair to grow freely, there's only one way: the MicroStrand technology. Notice how it breathes.